Thank you for gratitude. Is $200 for ChatGPT Pro really worth it? Join me as I dive into the debate. ChatGPT Pro has been making waves in the AI chatbot community, and one of the biggest talking points is its price tag, a whopping $200. That's a significant investment, and it's natural to wonder if it's really worth the cost. OpenAI recently unleashed ChatGPT Pro, a premium subscription plan featuring the ultra-smart, problem-solving, life-coaching powerhouse known as O1 Pro mode. Priced at a hefty $200 per month, this AI promises to take thinking to the next level. But one of the biggest concerns users have is that ChatGPT Pro is just too expensive. $200 is a significant amount of money, especially when you consider that the free version of ChatGPT is still pretty impressive. Many people are wondering if the extra features are really worth the cost. Some are even asking if the Plus version is good enough, and if they're just paying for a fancy badge. Another concern is that ChatGPT Pro might not deliver on its promises. We've all seen those flashy ads and bold claims, but can ChatGPT Pro really live up to the hype? What if it's just a glorified version of the Plus model with a few extra bells and whistles? Can we really trust that it's going to make a significant difference in our productivity and workflow? Many users are also worried about the limitations of ChatGPT Pro. We know that the free version has limitations on the number of requests you can make and the quality of the responses you get. But what about ChatGPT Pro? Are the limitations really worth the extra cost? And what happens if you need more features or support in the future? Nevertheless, let's take a look at the advantages of ChatGPT Pro. There are some significant advantages to ChatGPT Pro that set it apart from the free version. For one, the Pro version has a much more comprehensive language model, capable of handling more complex queries and providing more accurate responses. It also has a higher limit on the number of requests you can make per day, making it a more viable option for heavy users. And then, there are the exclusive features, like the ability to access priority support and get priority access to new features as they're rolled out. Here's what you get when you shell out $200 for ChatGPT Pro. 1. High-stakes projects. If failure is not an option, ChatGPT Pro mode's reliability is invaluable. 2. Advanced research. Scientists and academics designing experiments or crunching complex data will love its depth of reasoning. 3. Complex problem solving. For multi-step tasks that require precision and consistency, ChatGPT Pro mode is a solid choice. Who actually needs ChatGPT Pro? Who is this $200 month plan actually for? It's not for everyone. In fact, it's probably not for you unless you fit into one of these categories. 1. Researchers and scientists. Designing experiments, analyzing data, or tackling questions that stump even seasoned academics. ChatGPT Pro is your new lab partner. 2. Developers with high-stakes projects. If you're working on mission-critical code for, say, hospital equipment or spacecraft, you might appreciate the model's precision. 3. High-stakes decision-makers. Business strategists, policymakers, and anyone whose mistakes make headlines might benefit from the model's reliability. Let's be brutally honest, 98% of ChatGPT users actually don't need ChatGPT Pro. The average user is here for things like writing emails or essays, generating ideas for dinner recipes, asking quirky questions like, Can AI help me become famous on TikTok? For tasks like these, the free version of ChatGPT, or the $20 month plus plan, is more than enough. If your work involves routine tasks, creative brainstorming, or casual queries, the free or plus plans will serve you perfectly. If you're dealing with high-stakes problems where accuracy and consistency are mission critical, then yes, ChatGPT Pro is a worthy investment. A wise investment isn't measured in dollars, but in the value it brings to your time, growth, and vision. Have you tried ChatGPT Pro? Let me know in the comments how it's helped, or if you're still on the fence. Let's figure out if it's worth it together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI insights. Until next time, stay curious and stay wise.